Hey everybody, good morning. Johnny Brigadier located at the Arctic Circle, otherwise known as Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Okay, latest development. Not good. Not good at all. And I think the winner of all the guessers and of all the guessers out there is, I think, Carlos Hernandez came very, very, very close. All right, Blue is suffering from a total catastrophic um, failure. Well, I don't know if it's total, but it's big as big it could be. Um, all the fuel injectors are fine, except I don't know what that means. I'm not a mechanic. Except the liner blew. The end piston liner, probably. I don't know. And that blew. And so the latest from what I heard is Baby Blue needs a complete overhaul, and Freightliner has given $30,000 price. Um, Fortunately, it's still under warranty. Unfortunately, I don't think it's 100% under warranty. So, and I don't know what percentage of it is under warranty or not. Um, the biggest problem right now then is how to get another truck. In fact, the biggest problem today is to somehow find a truck and retrieve the trailer down in Milwaukee. My boss wanted to ask Larry if he could do it. Unfortunately, Larry hasn't registered his truck for a while, and he went snowmobiling up in Michigan, so that ain't gonna work. And that's all I know. That's all I got from now. I suggested that my boss should drive the Black Stallion up here. That way I could use that for the meantime that Baby Blue is getting fixed. So that's all the update that I can tell you. I'll keep you guys more update and posted. So, for the meantime, coffee time. All right, we'll catch you guys later. Peace.